So, despite the market turbulence, despite Germany selling Bitcoin, Mt. Gox, fear and uncertainty, which you guys know how I feel about that, it's very, very short sighted. Despite all of this noise going on in the cryptocurrency market, there is some insane crypto news to talk about that literally nobody is talking about. It has to do with BlackRock. And BlackRock, we know, is right at the forefront of a Bitcoin ETF that is already live. They are also going to be the leader when it comes to the Ethereum ETF, which we're waiting on, which will be a positive catalyst, in my estimation, for the overall cryptocurrency market. But in addition to that, there's something much, much bigger at play here that we have talked about on this channel, but it's still going unnoticed. And not a lot of people are talking about what just recently transpired just this past week, despite all of this market turbulence. But in this video, we're going to talk about BlackRock's BUIDL or BUIDL and what it is, what's happening with it, as they've added over 5 million in just a week, despite the market turbulence. And we have stressed the importance of following the big dogs, following the big money, and following the trends in the market. And we know this is a big deal because Larry Fink has talked about where the vision is after ETFs. We, of course, know that ETFs are a big, big deal, but there's something much, much bigger at play here. And BlackRock's BUIDL adds over 5 million in a week despite market turbulence. Now, guys, all I ask, make sure you smash the like button. I want people to see this because this is very, very crucial information to understand where the market's going and to make better investment decisions. So please smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel so more people see what's going on here, because there is a lot to talk about. Now, if you guys don't know what BUIDL is, well, stay tuned because we're going to highlight it here in the video. Now, it's an Ethereum-based fund called BUIDL, okay? This is owned and managed by BlackRock, and they have gulped over 5 million in assets over the past week despite the ongoing market turbulence. Market analytics resource Into the Block revealed this news in a recent disclosure, stressing that the fund has commanded considerable interest among investors. While the crypto market struggles, BlackRock's BUIDL fund, operating on the Ethereum network, continues to attract new investors. The fund requires a minimum entry of 5 million, and its total assets have now reached $491 million. Now, this is impressive, to say the least, especially because the fund was just launched, guys, in March, okay? As you guys can see right here, launched in March on Ethereum, this BlackRock USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund marks the company's first tokenized fund. The tokenization of real-world assets is where we are going in the space. This allows qualified investors to procure yields in US dollars by subscribing through the fintech company Securitize. Notably, just a couple months after the fund's launch, Securitize has secured a $47 million funding round from multiple investors. You might also like this. Scammers have drained 1.7 million claiming to be Coinbase employees. The BUIDL fund allocates investments into US Treasury bills, cash, and repurchase agreements. Now, this enables investors to generate yield while maintaining their holdings as tokens on the blockchain, having their money work for them. Now, according to data sourced by ITB Into the Block, BUIDL now boasts $491 million in assets under management. This feat comes as a broader global crypto market lost $290 billion in July. Again, this is just launched in March. On-chain data shows that BUIDL's AUM stood at 486 million as of July 2nd. Okay, this figure has increased to 491 after adding 5 million more. The growth rate indicates an additional 5.37 million in the last week, despite the bearish atmosphere. People are getting heavily invested into the tokenization of RWA, real-world assets, guys. Okay, BlackRock's BUIDL has surpassed Franklin Templeton's Benji in AUM and become the largest on-chain money market fund. This is huge, okay? The tokenization of real-world assets is real. As such, BUIDL has recorded inflows totaling 116 million. Meanwhile, Benji has only seen 33.97 million in capital inflows within the same period. Huge, huge news here, guys, because this is what is happening. It's a big trend in the market. We are moving toward RWA. This is why I am focused so much on this sector, why I've talked about it so much on this channel in the last few months, and really going back to late last year, and why on our Crypto Breakfast Club, which is our Monday through Friday morning show over on X, which runs 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. Eastern, by the way, every Monday through Friday. My X page is linked down below in the description. We do this every freaking day during the week for 2 hours after our live stream on YouTube at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. We have been hammering this, absolutely hammering this news, putting this out in front of people. Now, what am I invested in the RWA space? I'm really focused in on the top 2 assets, in my opinion, in the RWA space. There's a lot to like here, but I'm really focused in on Chainlink and Ondo Finance. Chainlink and Ondo Finance are the 2 that I'm going all in on. I've been accumulating for a while. And as I'm taking profits from meme coins or small cap cryptos, driving those profits back into the RWA space, because I think this is going to explode at some point during this bullish cycle. Because Larry Fink has been so adamant about the tokenization of RWA, and the numbers are right here in this video that I just presented to you to back it up. Investors are interested in the BUIDL fund built on Ethereum. Now, you can do with this information what you will, but for me, I am betting big on BlackRock and the future of RWA. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like this video. You want more content like this to make better decisions in the space. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything we do. If you're looking for a leverage trading platform, that is Margex. No KYC, copy trading. Right now, huge airdrop competition. You sign up, make a trade today, free money, free airdrop for you over on Margex. Again, no KYC. Links down below to that. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you.